So in this flat we have a very special thing that this balcony is connected to both the rooms, as you can see. Hello everyone, welcome to Afford Homes. This is Pranoti Kadam. Today we came at Hinjewadi Phase 1 at Rahul Aston by Rahul Construction. If we talk about the connectivity, the project is just 500 meters from metro station, DMart is nearby and Pune-Bangalore highway is just at a distance of 5 minutes. So if we talk about the project details, the total land parcel of this project is 6 acres. Total towers are 5. 2 towers has already been launched and 3 towers are yet to launch. If we talk about the elevation, it is 2-level basement parking plus ground plus 22 residential floors. If we talk about the amenities, we have 40 plus amenities for you. So this is your 2 BHK show flat with a carpet of 795 square foot. In the entrance you're getting a video door phone and on the door you're getting a digital door lock, and when you enter the sample flat you will be getting this beautiful entrance lobby. This is your beautiful living room and dining space where you can arrange L-shaped sofa comfortably. In front of this you have a TV wall where you can arrange a TV and TV unit as well. Now let's move on to our favorite area, that is balcony, where you can get the sliding door and mosquito mesh as well. This is your balcony area where you can enjoy coffee and tea with your loved ones. So in this flat we have a very special thing that this balcony is connected to both the rooms, as you can see. Now let's move on to our dining area, and here you can arrange 4-seater dining space comfortably. Let's move on to the kitchen area. This is your kitchen. Here you're getting a granite platform and a parallel platform as well. So you can arrange a cabinet storage over here, as well as you can arrange this trolleys as shown here. So we have the refrigerator space over here. Then also you can arrange a microwave oven on this side. So in kitchen area we are providing a granite platform, a parallel platform, as well as the tiles. This is dry balcony area where also you can arrange washing machine. So this is your dry balcony area where you can clean the utensils and other stuffs, as well as you can dry clothes as well. Just check it out. So if you are looking for a property in Pune or you like this property, kindly contact us. Now let's move on to the kids bedroom. So this is your kids bedroom. You can comfortably arrange queen size bed as shown here, and this is your sliding window which connects to your balcony. Here you can comfortably arrange a TV, as well as the AC unit also is provided. Let's move to the wardrobe side. So this is your kids wardrobe. You can arrange it very comfortably because the space is also very huge. So as you can see, this is 2.5 feet wardrobe, as we have got very huge space and you can arrange your garments of kids very comfortably. Now let's move on to the common washroom. In this washroom, you're getting CP fittings and sanitary fittings of American standard. On the wall, you can see you're getting dado tiles. You can see the floor, it's of anti-skid tiles. And in washroom, you can maintain your wet and dry area by using glass partition. Now let's move to our master bedroom. This is your spacious master bedroom. You can see it's so huge. You can arrange king size bed comfortably. You can arrange wardrobe as shown here. So it has much spacious space. You can arrange it very comfortably. Now let's move to master washroom. In this washroom, you can maintain your dry and wet area using a glass partition. Here you're getting CP fittings and sanitary fittings of American standard. This tiles you can see is of dado tiles. This flooring is of anti-skid tiles. And you can maintain your wet and dry area using a glass partition. Now let's move to the balcony area. Wow! So amazing. This is your balcony. Here you're getting anti-skid wooden textured tiles. This is your railing. So you're getting a covered balcony. That means your privacy is maintained. So this is your 2 BHK show flat with a carpet of 795 square foot. I hope you liked it. So friends, I hope you like this project. If you're interested in this project or looking any property in Pune, kindly do contact us on the given number. Thank you.